Welcome back guys. In this video we are going to discuss about how we can solve the binary search in O of log n complexity. So we know that a binary search, so if you want to use binary search, the array must be in sorted order and you will be having one target element. The target element uh, will be definitely exist in the given array, and you need to return an index of the target element. So for example, look at here, you have the you have the array and you have the target element and you need to return an index. So this 9 exists in this array within the index of 4. All right. So you need to solve this in O of log n times using complexity. Okay, so it's as simple as that. How are you going to find it? So we know that to get the target element, to find the target element, here we are going to use the approach which is we use the middle of the element. That means we are going to divide this array into half and we'll get some point. Either if we divide this element, we get to the point here. And if the element is greater than that index of this mid, then we just simply increment the mid. Okay. So if the element is less than the target, if the element is less than the target, if the element is greater than the target, we just simply decrement it to here. Okay, so this approach is as simple as that. So let's start writing the code. Here we initialize an elements, initialize the variables. Left is 0, which is going to be this, the index, and the right. Now we start. Uh, we use the left and right to in the while loop. The left is greater than the right. The left is less than the right. So here we are going to initialize the variable which is mid element. So let's put here double equal to, because if the both are at even equal, if the left and right even if equal, it has to execute it because it is still less than the length of an array, both are. So yeah. So to increase or decrease an element, so what we have to do is we have to use left and right. All right. So um, we need to initialize the left here plus right minus left, and it's divided by 2. Okay. Now if sums of mid is less than the target, what we have to do? Else if sums of mid greater than the target, we have to do. Else what we have to do? We just simply return the mid. Okay. If an element did not exist in the given array, we just simply return -1. Okay. Now from here, if an element is less than the target, so we just simply increase the value of left using this mid. So initially the mid is going to be uh, half of an array, half of the array. For example, if this is the length of the 6, it's going to be at the index 3. The mid starts with the 3, and if the target is less than of that mid, just simply assign these values to the left. It's going to do some perfect calculation that it makes the mid element is definitely going to find a target element in such a way that. So these are some formulas that you need to remember to achieve binary search. So this is going to be right, mid -1. That's it, guys. Okay, let's do one thing. Simply return them at here itself. Here, just increase it the left variable value. Hmm, okay, let's put here minus one. This is it, guys.